What's up everybody, it is Colin here, and in this video I'm going to tell you how to make $100 per day with Facebook ads. And it's actually quite simple because there are obviously pros and cons to the situation, and that's what I'm going to talk about today. So it's not going to build a live build, which I have on my channel already, regarding $100 a day on Facebook ads. This is going to be more of a theory video of things you should really know when you want to try out Facebook ads. Obviously, there are a lot of big factors that play a role when making Facebook ads, but obviously what is the power of Facebook compared to other traffic sources is the detailed targeting. You can target on country, which is quite normal. You can target on placement. They have obviously the feed, mobile, desktop, they have the right column, they have inside video ads, they have retargeting ads, they have custom audiences, all those kinds of things. So you can do based on interest, which is obviously the most powerful. Based on what people like, you can target. That way, very efficiently, very quick, you can get to the point of who is the desired audience and your ad goes there. It requires significantly less testing than platforms like Native, for instance, because there's almost literally only the source IDs. Other than that, there's almost no variables to test on. And Facebook has very, very detailed targeting, and that's why it's so powerful. When we look at affiliate marketing, what we do, we need to include bridge pages, which is important. For most offers, the redirects, etc., affiliate links, you cannot direct link, meaning you cannot direct link from Facebook to the source. You have to make a bridge in between. So what I like to do is I put a quiz in between. I make the offer, I write the copy, then I bring them to a quiz, ask them some questions about the offer, and then put them to the offer. This results in a low cost per click and a high earnings per click, so we make a lot of money. And the goal is obviously to make $100 per day as soon as possible. With the detailed targeting, you also have insane volumes on Facebook. There are millions and millions of people logging into Facebook every single day. I am online on Facebook 24/7 because half my business, the entire audience, except from YouTube, you guys watching this, is on Facebook. My Facebook group is almost 5,000 people already. Very, very scalable Facebook ads, lots of reach. And obviously the best thing, what you actually want, is as soon as you hit a winning offer, you can scale it. Because as soon as an offer makes you maybe $10 a day, you can scale it to $100 a day in 1 hour with Facebook ads. You can scale it from 100 to 10,000 to 100,000 with Facebook because the volumes are that insane. What I know from the traffic managers, the affiliate managers, and myself is that Facebook can deliver premium traffic to your partners. Why? Because of the detailed targeting. So if they want a specific age range, specific gender, specific relation or interest in a specific brand, it's all possible. The premium traffic can be developed by the custom audiences. So you take your audience, then you put it next to, in Facebook audiences, next to your other audiences, which you already have from other projects. You can mix them, or you can keep them separate and create lookalike audiences. I want a similar audience to the base audience and create a variable from that. And Facebook will allow you to do this. Obviously very powerful. What you need to take into consideration with Facebook though is the ad accounts. Follow the policies. If you don't follow the policies, they're going to remove your ad accounts. If you want to know how to get more ad accounts, look in the description down below for the AFK form. There is where I have a detailed guide on get unlimited ad accounts. What is important though is that the ad accounts are only tools. They're essential for you to run the ads, but don't get focused on them. Don't cry about it once they get banned, because you are able to get new ones if you're smart. The combination of these 5 things will make it so easy to get to $100 a day with Facebook ads, especially when you're interested in affiliate marketing. I think I still have it online. In my Facebook group, I have a 3-step training. That's what it's called. It's 3 videos. Introduction, then I show you how it's done, and then you need to do it. Those 3 steps take you 45 minutes to watch. Within 45 minutes, you can make $100 a day, and it's free. I'm not selling any bullshit. There's no upsell, there's no course, there's nothing. All the information we provide is free. Free Facebook group. Only the forum, obviously. The forum is paid because it's more premium, but it's not branded to the channel and stuff. So the channel, YouTube channel free, Facebook group free. These tools, people overcomplicate things. $100 a day is nothing. There are people on Facebook ads doing 10 million a day and you're struggling. But take these things into consideration. Why is Facebook ads a good traffic source for you? Detailed targeting, bridge page, scalable, premium traffic. Watch the ad accounts. In the description of this video, as soon as it is available, no, not in the description, I will put it in the comments of this video. I will show you how to make $100 a day with Facebook ads and affiliate marketing, step by step. But take this theory carefully, read it, consume it, watch it 2 to 3 times so it's clear why Facebook is so useful. I have other videos like this, how to make $100 with Instagram, Snapchat, Bing, Google. I will do an entire series on this and then connect them where you can watch me actually build these campaigns so you can do the same, earn some money online. I hope you learned something. If you did, let me know in the comments down below. Keep your eyes out for that video and I will see you guys in the next one.